Critical price action for AERODROME. The markets are red once again. Bitcoin has lost some critical levels. Let's dive right into it. I'm Blockchain Crusader, crusading through these blockchains every single day. But guys, first off, 77% of you guys that are watching these videos are still not hitting that subscribe. Hit that subscribe, guys. Hit that like, and here we go. First off, we got to check out Bitcoin, right? Because Bitcoin right now has lost to 61,000. We came down to the value area low of 62, lost that as well. The 0.5 of 60 that was lined up pretty close to the value area low of this range, which was at 62,242, was also lost. And my last line of defense here, this red line, which was the point of control of this massive blue zone range that we've been in since all the way back in February, 61,197. We are currently below it. Today, we can still close above it like we've seen in the past year with all these other wicks. We have not closed a single candle below this zone before. If we do, look out below, right? The gold pocket is sitting between 59,400 and 58,732. We will see if Bitcoin can have a bounce from there and try to come back up. But this video is about AERODROME and where the critical levels are for this. But this is important information to have context on where AERODROME could be headed, right? AERODROME has also sunk, right? It's sunk below the 0.5, filled the gold pocket, and kept on going. The next area that I'm targeting for AERODROME is the 74-cent area, which is the value area high for this month of March. Also, down below it, if Bitcoin, from where we're at right now, that is a small 12% drop. But I'm targeting as low as potentially this point of control down here, which is 46% drop. Because if we go back to Bitcoin's price action, right, if this gold pocket doesn't hold, we could be dropping down to 55,000. So where does that put Bitcoin of a drop? From where we're at right now to this is a 3.5%. And we come all the way down here, it's about 9% of an entire move for the price down just from where we're currently at. If we measure it from the very top of today, right, then that is a total 14% drop, which definitely allows for altcoins to melt a lot further. Now, why is this point of control even relevant or important? If we do break below this value area high right here, I am going to be targeting this right here as some level of support, this bottom, this horizontal at 61 cents. But if this doesn't hold, this point of control is relevant because this is a naked point of control, meaning this point of control was never revisited after the range was closed. So the range closes at the end of the month of March. We skyrocketed, and if we re-enter this range, right, and this point of control is a naked point of control, which is what it is right now at 45 cents, has never been revisited, it will definitely attract price to potentially come down here. No guarantee that we will come to 45 cents, right? It all depends, highly dependent on Bitcoin's price action. Will Bitcoin melt down to 55,000? Will it go lower? All of that is relevant in context to how much of a drop we could see from AERODROME. Now, if we come down to the gold pocket for Bitcoin, right? We come down to the gold pocket, bounce off the 58 and start moving back up, right? Then we could come as low as potentially to this point of this value area high of 73, maybe even as low as 61 cents here, and then find the bounce and come back up. That is, like I said, the price recovery and how low AERODROME is going to drop is highly dependent on how low Bitcoin drops, how much of a significant drop it has, and how quickly Bitcoin drops. So these are the critical levels for AERODROME. I don't expect us dropping any lower than this. I don't expect us to coming down to this value area low of 32 cents. But, you know, these are in place. Right now, I'm currently looking at 74 to 61. We will see what happens after that. If that is lost and Bitcoin continues to drop after 61 cent AERODROME is reached, then potentially there is some reason to come down to this 45 cent level for AERODROME. Those are the critical levels that I'm looking at for AERODROME right now, guys. I'm Blockchain Crusader, crusading through these blockchains. Until next time, see ya. Smash those likes, hit that subscribe.